Come into our channel. So in this video I'll be introducing to you the 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 concept of forex trading. This is the basic information every trader needs to begin the journey of being a successful trader. You know, most people they feel like getting the theory, the basic information, it's not necessary. Hence, this is the solid backbone for all the journey that you will be taking as a trader. Okay, so here we have around 26 episodes. So I'll be introducing to you here. I'll be explaining what is forex trading. I'll also be explaining how to start to be a trader. How can you start being a trader? Okay, so it goes like this. Forex trading, it's an annotation for the complete word foreign currency exchange, which is the foreign exchange market. It is a decentralized marketplace for trading national currencies because of the worldwide reach of trade, commerce, and finance. Forex markets are the largest and the most liquid financial markets in the whole world. Okay, so when we say it's a decentralized market, it means it's never saturated. It is always there because there is around $7.4 trillion a day to circulate or to be traded. So it is a liquidated market. There are key features one has to know and understand when you want to start forex trading. It is always traded in currency pairs like euro / dollar, GBP, dollar, or GBP, JPY. The stock market operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, if it's not the synthetic indices. Okay, it is traded through banks, the brokers, institutions, and retail investors. There are major participants, which includes the central banks, the governments, financial institutions, the hedge funds, corporations, and the individual traders. So when you are a trader, it is key to understand when will you work, how are you going to begin the journey, on your own or with your mentor. So I'd like to give you an overview of how currency trading works. It involves buying one currency while simultaneously selling the other currency. So this is done like I've mentioned earlier, it's done in currency pairs such as the euro dollar. For an example, if a trader thinks that the euro will rise against the dollar, they will buy the pair euro dollar. If they also think the euro will fall, they will sell the euro dollar. So that one is very, very important. Okay, you should have that concept for solidifying your skill. There are core concepts one has to know. I will also say it's a terminology. It's a terminology you must always remember when you are trading. There is also what you call a bid or ask price. This is the price at which you can sell that's the bid price, or it's a price which you can buy, that's the asking price. The spread is the difference between the bid and asking price. So it's the amount that is charged by the broker when you are placing a trade. Okay, let's say you are buying gold, they will charge you 16 cents, or they'll charge you 22 cents depending on the spread, the broker. Okay, the leverage is when traders can control larger positions with smaller amounts. If you have $50, you can make up to even $5,000. That's the leverage. Okay, it magnifies your wins, and also it can also magnifies your losses. The pips is the smallest unit of the price movement. Usually it's 0.0001, okay, for the euro dollar. So the lots, it's the volume or the size of a trade. That's the standard, the minimum, and the micro lots. Okay, as you are thinking of entering the trading industry, there are some benefits and there are some risks you need to be aware of. So we'll begin with the benefits. When you are a trader, know that forex trading is high liquidity. The market works 24 hours, 5 days a week. Like if you say it's high liquidity, it's easy to enter and exit the trade. It's just one click you enter and one click you exit. You can trade at a time from Monday up to Friday, even at night after work. You can trade, analyze and trade, make some money. There are low transaction costs, especially with major pairs. The leverage control large trades with smaller capital. So there are opportunities in both rising and falling mark. So if the market is selling, you can make profits, and also if the market is buying, you can also make some profits. There are also some risks you need to be aware of. Your capital is always at risk, okay? Because the stock markets, and yes, there is always high volatility. So the prices can move aggressively against you, okay? You can lose your capital within a twinkle of an eye. The leverage risks, it amplifies both gains and losses. So sometimes you find that there is market manipulation, especially in low liquidity periods. So that's why trading, it requires a skill and discipline. It's not a get rich quick scheme. If you treat it as a get rich quick scheme, you will end up losing everything. So there is also emotional trading, which can lead to poor decision making. For instance, if you are trading and you lost money, you are revenging in your trading, or you are rushing to make money since you're under pressure. You should not use borrowed money. You should not use money for rent, money for food. You should not use school fees. Only invest money that you are really willing to lose that money. Okay, do not trade with money that is that is basically waiting for your needs. Okay, just trade with extra money, to put it simpler. Okay, so to sum up my introduction, I would say forex trading, it opens up a lot of opportunities for individuals and institutions just to profit from the fluctuations in global currencies. So with its unmatched liquidity, 24 hours, 5 days a week accessibility, and lower entry barriers, it has become a popular choice for traders worldwide. However, it requires a strong discipline, risk management, and continuous learning. By understanding how forex market works and weighing its benefits against its risk, traders can make informed decisions and enhance their chances of success. So if you are planning to be a trader, it's time. you go to our next episode. I think now you have the clue of what it really is Forex trading. So it is true, Forex trading, it offers exciting opportunities for those ready to learn and grow in the world's largest financial market. So with the right knowledge and mindset, you can trade confidently and strategically. If you talk of mindset, I've said earlier that it's not a get rich quick scheme. Make sure you treat it as real business, or you just do it to survive. Make that lousy, if you're in Africa, make that lousy $100 or $200 at $3,000. You can survive for the whole month. Okay. If you are around the developed countries, just make 1,000 USD. You are done a month. Okay. It's not a get rich quick scheme, but you just treat it as you are owning a small shop where you are just making small profits every day, piling them up until they are big profits. So this is just the beginning. We have 29 more episodes lined up to guide you step by step through your Forex trading journey. Stay tuned, stay focused, and let's build your trading skills one session at a time. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.